Hi guys, here's the latest bit of hackery in openGL for SynthEdit. So we've just got a 10-band EQ we've been working on. Everything is getting drawn directly on the GPU, apart from these three knobs down here. So all the usual sort of stuff. It's just an EQ. So it does that sort of thing. You can change the band types. Change the Q, obviously move them about, all that sort of goodness. Switch the nodes on and off, etc. Zoom in and out on the scale, both axes, and pan around in frequency response. And because it's on openGL, all the colouring is done through shaders on the graphics card, so I can change the colour scheme really easily, including saturation and lightness. It's got a split stereo mode, so I can choose to have the EQ band operating on either the left or the right channel independently. And also it works in mid-side mode as well. Now on the GL front, all the colouring is done by shaders, which are programs that run on the graphics card. And down here, a little checker that sees that the shader's okay. And if I want to edit that shader, it's just a text file that you load up alongside the plugin. So if I just uncomment that code, give it a save, and then unlock and then relock, colour schemes can be changed dead easy without any additional load on the CPU. Also, the main big text in the background and the 10-band EQ text here is FreeType font, so that's been rendered as a set of textures onto the graphics card before they're placed anywhere. And the rest of the text is PixelFont that I programmed directly as a set of, well, GL primitives, I guess you'd call them. So there we are. This is getting more and more mature and almost ready for release. I've got my coordinate system all cockeyed at the moment. OpenGL starts at the bottom left for X, Y, 0 and 0, whereas normally within SynthEdit GDI Plus is top left. So I've got a bit of work to sort that out to make everything the right way around, but it's getting closer. So hopefully by the end of the year I'll release all of this with some more examples as to how you code them into SynthEdit modules, and maybe someone will do a 64-bit version as well. Because openGL's cross-platform, as is FreeType. So it should all be reasonably straightforward to get running both on Mac and in 64-bit. More coming soon when I can find the time.